bought a new road cart because I was stacking some stuff on top of each other. So yeah, I called the wife, you know, make sure that this purchase was okay. And all she said was, okay, well, can you give me a flashlight? So I was like, yeah, I can do that. So I thought that was a good trade-off. And yes, she knows the price of the box. I'm pretty pumped. I'm really excited. So get to swap all this stuff over and get organized again. I just bought my new Mac Tools road cart. I was tired of stacking tools on top of each other. I was running out of room and I needed something a little bit bigger. So we're just gonna kind of go through this and see what's inside and how I organized it and see what you guys think. Alright, so up top I got my sockets that I usually always use, extensions, my pliers, dikes, picks, kind of everyday sockets, everything that I use regularly. My screwdrivers are in the side. I'm gonna bring some more of my pry bars from home because now I got a bigger box to put them in. And that's about it for the top. This one also comes with the power strip in it, which is really awesome. That's it about there. My first drawer got all my wrenches, special sockets that I rarely use but have to have them. The next drawer down, I got some more special sockets because BMW. You know, inverted torques, triple squares, long triple squares, impact driver, just quick connect driver tools. Let's see, torque wrench, hood prop, some ratchets. And if we go down one more, we got impacts, hammers, air tools. Pretty simple drawer. And then this one is electrical. I have some O-rings in here, some special stuff for oil changes, for filters, some brake tools, and room for expansion. That's what it's all about. So probably in like 2 months I'll have this all filled. I got another good drawer for expansion. And this is my everything drawer. I got bolts, a bag that I, you know, take tools home if I need to, 2-jaw puller down there, have some extra parts for my Mini Cooper, but well, that kind of got hit and it died. So now I just got extra parts for, you know, customers' Mini Coopers. But yeah, that's about it. So and I got some PPF installed by Mike, so help not ding up my top of my box there when putting in tools, so that's really nice. Thank you, Mike. And yeah, that's about it. And then we're gonna start working on this lovely Mercedes. So.
It was pretty much buy one get one free. So Tuesday, well, let's go back before Tuesday. My old cart right there was super full, my toolbox is super full, so I was thinking, man, I need something bigger tool cart. So we have every other Tuesday we have a Mac rep coming in, and I was going to ask him if he had any. And luckily he had 5 in the truck. They were asking $2,200 a piece, I guess, for each of them. And I know John wanted one for himself, so I said, $2,200. I'm not gonna spend $2,200 for a cart, you know. At least not yet. He's like, I'm gonna make you a deal. You're not gonna say no. And he always does that, actually. So he gave me a good number in it for both of us, and it was almost buy one get one free. uh, it was too good to say no, so we both got each of us. I got this one to match my toolbox. He's a lime green fan, so I got the green one. So, but yeah, right now has too many drawers. It's empty. I'm in the process of transferring stuff from there to here, or from upstairs to here. So here we have all the sockets that I use every day. In the first drawer, I got pretty much extensions, picks. I use this pretty much daily. Here we got zip ties, pretty much use zip ties every day, rivets, and there is a lot more space to be filled. Here we got torque wrench, straight edge, specialty tools, which reminds me, I have one right here, see it? Needs to go right here. This is for R53 Mini Coopers. Going down, we got power tools, which we got more for more power tools. We're gonna buy a few more. This is gonna be for hammers, chisels, brass bars, and I think this is empty. And this is gonna be pretty much specialty tools. That's crankshaft pulley remover for Mini Coopers. That's brake calipers, hit gun, and other junk. So this is it. And oh, and also this tray came from my old cart. So I have a set of body nuts with a special tool. It looks like factory did this. Came out pretty good. So color is a little bit off, but who cares? It's pretty functional. God, I haven't worked in one of those in forever. So, 1986, the customer made an appointment. He wants the valves adjusted. I don't know why, but customer gets what customer wants, so let's get it done. So, in order to do the valve adjustments, you have to pull out the air box, airflow meter, intake boot, and the valve cover. So just so the gap for those is 12 thousandths. To adjust the valves, if you see here, these cam lobes, they're kind of on the flat spot, meaning that this one is on the low spot. Perfect. That is absolute perfect. Basically, that's how you adjust the valves. It's the same thing on all of them. Just double check all of them. Just take your time. Should make your car run so much better, so much quieter. So yeah, nothing to it. It's pretty simple. So you can buy this at BMW. They're pretty much unique to the car, and obviously the customer cannot find where the lug nut key is. Probably whoever did the tires last, they never bothered to put it back. So a year ago I ended up buying this special tool to pretty much get rid of them. So the first tool, you just remove the safety and you expose the spline. So after that you just hammer this one in. It's very tight fit. You just by hand slowly drive them out, and there you go.